So I've been painting or writing icons with Basia at the Edinburgh School of Icon Painting for a few years now, but it started to be a more regular thing with the lockdown when the classes shifted online, and it's been a weekly thing since then. And I've really enjoyed the structure of having the class every week, and it's been a really interesting development artistically to paint different images. And I recently finished the one I'm showing in the exhibition here, and I'm really pleased with it. It's for a friend of mine, Alaric, who is training for ordination. So it's nice to show it in an exhibition before I give it to him. And it's an image that I really like. It's a very, very old icon from Russia that I've been working from. And it being so old means that there's not so much detail in the original I'm working from, so sometimes I've had to use my initiative a little bit to work out how to do things. But it's been great to try different techniques. I've enjoyed gessoing the board, I've enjoyed using the different metals, the gold leaf for the hair and the silver leaf for the cross. And painting something a little bigger than icons I've been doing in the past has meant I've been able to do more detailed painting, which has been really nice. So I'm really grateful to Basia for the classes, and I really enjoy them. And I'm already working on my next icon.